Hi, this is Kentucky Governor Matt Bevin. I want to draw your attention to something that I'm willing to bet very few, if any of you, are even aware of. How many of you know for a fact that our Attorney General is being sued for sexual discrimination? The reason you don't know about it is our media refuses to cover it. There are claims that are being made. They're being tried in court. Our Attorney General is trying to dismiss those claims. That attempt to have those dismissed was not upheld. And a judge has ruled there is enough evidence that it would seem discovery should be done, and in fact this should be allowed to move forward, and that's exactly what's happening. And there was a claim not only for sexual discrimination as it relates to pay, but also for mismanagement and ethical issues within the Attorney General's office. The very woman who brought those last charges forward has been dismissed. This whistleblower, after receiving a handwritten note congratulating her on a job well done 1 month, was then dismissed the very next month after she raised these issues. This should concern you if you are a Kentuckian. This is the top law enforcement officer in our state. The Attorney General's office has got some significant problems inside of it. And I wonder, where is the media that will give credence to anybody laying claim, no matter how preposterous, against anyone of a certain political party, but completely disregard those in another political party? I find it interesting. If you're outraged at the idea of sexual discrimination and the complaints of sexual discrimination within the Attorney General's office, then I would encourage you to contact the Attorney General and ask him to come forward and give an explanation for what has or hasn't happened in his office. I would encourage you to contact your local media. For those of you who put stock in what the local media has to say, ask them why they're not covering this topic. It's an important topic. It's one we wish we didn't need to talk about. But we're talking about it because the media won't. You should encourage them to do so, because that's what real investigative journalism is all about. That's what credible journalism is all about. That's what the Fourth Estate is intended to look at.